Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a listing that you have created on Airbnb. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, you may need to switch to hosting version. So tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on switch to hosting. After you switch to the hosting mode, you can tap on listings at the bottom section to view all of your listings. From here, just tap on the listing that you wish to edit. And now you will be taken into the listing editor menu right away. You can edit all of your desired preferences, including the title, property type, as well as pricing, and all of the other information about your listing. Once you have made your desired change, you can tap on the view icon to view how your listing looks from a guest's perspective. After you verify all of your information, you can save your changes and it will be applied right away. And now your updates will be applied to your listings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your listing on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.